And hello, welcome again to CDB Blogger. No, I did
get
it wrong. I got it wrong. I got it wrong.
You recognised it.
Finally, I got it wrong. Okay. And hello again to another episode of CBD Blogger, where we're talking currently about CBD teas. My name is Matt.
And I'm Jonathan.
And today we're going to be talking about the Equilibrium CBD from CBD Hemporium.
Yep.
We need to say that because we have found a website that says Hemporium CBD. They appear to be completely different companies. So this is specifically cbdhemporium.co.uk.
That's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can start talking now. And I'm going to put the.
We're going to put. Let's get this moving.
I'm going to put some hot water in the cups.
Yeah, and just to say, that we've also done a video where we compare the Equilibrium breakfast tea to two other breakfast teas, so you can get a feel for how it stacks up against some of the competition out there. But as I say, today we're going to specifically dive a little bit into this product itself. Now, this is basically a English breakfast tea that has been infused with CBD.
So there's no hemp in this.
So no hemp in it, and in fact I think that's the approach that basically this company takes, the Equilibrium range. So they've got a range of different teas in each case that, and actually they make a good point about that on their website, is the fact that in terms of being able to control how much CBD is into it, it's easier for them to take a natural teas or natural blends and actually infuse it into the tea, so they know exactly how much has gone into it. Whereas if you're probably just drinking a hemp tea, there's obviously going to be variable amounts because it's a natural,
not quite as scientific
flower
in terms of what's in there.
No.
Yeah.
So if you really wanted to focus on making sure you know exactly how much CBD has at least gone into the tea, not to say how much you'll necessarily ingest, but how much has gone into the tea, then that infusion route, I think, is...
And it should be pointed out, as we do in most videos, that as interested consumers and very much non-experts, on a journey ourselves to identify and learn about the CBD products and market out there, from one video to the next, we may be putting in nuggets of information that don't exist in the other video because we've learnt about it since.
It's very much, learning it as we go. And that's because actually the market is just...
We're drifting.
Continually changing.
We're drifting. We're supposed to be talking about this tea. We'll come back to all of that in another video.
Right.
Yes. Shall I say something?
Yeah, what's exactly in this one?
Well,
it's a blend, isn't it?
First thing, we normally talk about packaging, and bit of a conundrum here because we weren't very keen on the packaging. It's very plasticky, pet hate of mine. Looking at the website, the packaging appears to be different.
Yeah.
So
it's looking a little less plastic.
Yeah, so at some point, packaging seems to have changed. And we're going to presume that what's on the website, which looks like a brown paper, sort of cardboardy bag maybe, that may be current, this may be older stock. If CBD Hemporium are watching, let us know. Have we got old stock packaging here?
Quite possibly, and it would sort of make sense, the fact that they're changing, because I did notice that the tea bags themselves are all biodegradable.
Right. Okay. And they claim, as do so many, that a lot. I suppose it goes hand in hand, really, doesn't it? But pretty much all the companies we're looking at are all claiming an awful lot of sustainability credentials in terms of what they're doing with sort of planting trees and reducing carbon footprint. So, if companies start out with packaging that's maybe a bit iffy, in their journey, it makes sense that they're going to develop that and improve it, perhaps.
I think, it goes with those, that they say, there's organic or sustainability credentials.
One thing I say is that, I don't know if you can see on the back of that, but this company are really stingy with their typeface, aren't they? It is tiny. To figure out what is actually being said on the back of the packaging. Yeah,
you're actually better going to the website if you want to.
Yeah, or wear glasses. So the ingredients for this is Assam tea leaves, Ceylon tea leaves, broad spectrum hemp extract.
Yeah. So I think with those, isn't it? With these teas, you are getting the flavours of the actual teas. There's
rather than the hemp. And
flavours.
In this one, you're getting 3.4 milligrams of CBD.
per tea bag.
Per tea bag, yes.
Yeah.
Per tea bag.
Yeah.
It's full spectrum, as it says here. There's other bits and bobs in terms of information. And it's it just says it's an English breakfast, so we'll see what this is going to taste like. We should smell the bag before we actually taste it.
And actually it has got quite a large leaf.
It's
look at it, isn't
really
it?
Coarse.
It is. It's not like the sort of dusty stuff you sometimes see in tea bags. This is a definite, distinctive leaf.
No dust coming out of that.
And it has got the pyramid bags.
Pyramid bag, and it's got the tail. It's got the little thing. Not all of them give you that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a very black, very coarse, quite hard content in there.
I wasn't. Seemed a little bit strange on the face of it was to have a pack that had 12 tea bags in it. I don't know whether there's some logic as to...
It seems to be on the lower end of quantity in a bag.
Yeah.
How much is it per bag?
Well, and maybe that's the thing is the fact that the pricing $9.95. So maybe they're based it on where the price point is. They want to get it under £10.
How much is it? It's only a little under £1 a bag then, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. And they do it as on the site. You can do it as a subscription.
So when you're looking at the price of CBD teas, it's really worth paying attention to what you're paying against how many bags are actually in the pack. It varies quite a lot, and you can look at a tea and think, oh, that's a bit expensive. But if you're getting 18 or 20 bags in there, obviously it's the price per bag that is key.
Yeah. And I think a lot of them do. I mean,
have we had our time yet?
3%. We have
25 seconds to go. How many minutes did you give that?
So we gave this 5 minutes, and we're trying to give them all 5 minutes. The way we do.
They kind of vary. Their advice is usually between 3 and 6. But I brewed one for 15 minutes last night, and that was good.
True experimentation mode. So we're trying to keep them all at 5 minutes, so we can get a similar feel as to how they look. I
don't think that needs agitating. That's dark.
And we're done with that. So let's
note to note. Neither one of us take.
Oh, it's spilling.
Are you making a mess?
Yeah.
Neither one of us take milk in tea or coffee, but you can put milk in CBD tea. In fact, they even advise it in the sense that the fat in the milk can help the CBD bond inside your body. You want to look a little bit more into that.
And I think it depends, because I think some of this CBD is infused in oils, and I think that's where it works. Where some is water soluble CBD. Just another area to look at.
It's like trying to pick your way through it.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's really dark, isn't it?
I think.
Yeah. Well, compared to the other one.
Oh, it's got a slightly
the other one.
Slightly citrus smell to it.
Oh, that's nice. It's quite strong.
It is quite a strong flavour, isn't it? Despite it, actually, I think it's quite a light colour, but it's definitely got a strong flavour. But it has definitely got a citrus.
Well, when I say dark
note,
I mean we didn't just do another video a few moments ago, did we? But we might have done, and that was quite pale. I like that.
This definitely got more intensity, but actually, I think. It's got more to the flavour as well.
Yeah, that might not want a 15-minute brew either.
No, I think
it might get a bit strong, but I think that the 5 minutes is good. Nice. It's an English breakfast, as we said. It's infused with the CBD, so there's no hemp flavour there. So if you're not liking the hemp flavour, if you've tried. Okay, so if you've tried a CBD tea and you've picked one up and it's got hemp in it, and you've tried it and gone, I'm not going to be drinking that. Try one that doesn't have the hemp but is infused with the CBD, because then you won't taste the hemp. I like the hemp, as I said before. Some people don't, but this is definitely a non-hemp liker.
Yeah, and it is. It's there as a breakfast tea, so it is a first thing in the morning. I think it's got quite a
good.
Yeah, I think a bright flavour to it. You're not, and certainly probably at this price, you're not going to be drinking 5 or 10 cups a day, are you? Yeah, I mean, you're drinking probably a cup in the morning.
Reviewing all of these teas, so far the average seems to be about £1 a bag. So you're going to have to, No, I mean, if you're buying, well, it's 30 quid a month, isn't it? If you're having one a day.
Yeah.
And if my maths is correct, it's 60 quid a month if you have 2. Is that all right?
Spot on.
Am I good?
Yeah. So, yes. But you don't want to make it too much of a...
Well, maybe not. But
habit,
again, I mean, they actually... Are these the ones that tell you not to exceed 20 cups a day? I mean, you've got to be a serious tea drinker to be on 20 cups a day.
I can't imagine what that
And then you add a bit of coffee in there as well, and you mix it up.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I don't think anybody would want to drink that much.
Yeah, but are they the one that said that warning?
It is.
It is, yeah.
It is, yeah.
Do people... Do you... Does that... Comment. Do you drink more than 20 cups of tea a day?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm not sure I could.
I don't know anyone that drinks that amount. So that's an interesting warning, because presumably somebody here either drinks 20 cups a day or knows someone who does. Yeah,
and I don't know. I mean, I don't know how much, obviously, CBD that would be, but that's probably a whole different subject.
Well, it is. But 20 cups.
I know.
Do you drink more than 20 cups a day? Let us know.
No,
Tell us.
I think by the time we finish these tea reviews, I'll
well, we might be doing 20 cups today. Yeah. Anyway, there you go. There is some Equilibrium CBD from CBD Hemporium. .co.uk.
But we'll put a link below the video on the channel anyway.
It's a nice cup of tea.
Yeah.
Anyway, good. I'm going to have a little bit more.
Go.
And now we'll say goodbye. Okay, so tune in next time. Thanks very much.
Take care. Bye for now.